Take apart a car engine or a washing machine, and what do you find? Parts. The Machine Tool Technology Program is a 16-month study of the process of using machine tools to manufacture useful products and parts with industry-standard cutting-edge equipment. Graduates will learn how to be skilled in making precise components for manufacturing, transportation, medical, and other industries. From precision measuring and blueprint reading to learning how to use specialized software to create custom machine parts, machine tools students gain the skills and practical hands-on experience that will allow you to score a variety of careers in machine shops and manufacturing industry positions. With campus locations at Dickson, Clarksville, and Franklin, check out what we have to offer. These exciting programs offer full-time class schedules from 8 a.m. in the morning to 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. To apply, visit our website. We also have a variety of financial aid options available to those who qualify. Be sure to apply for admissions and financial aid early so you will be ready to enroll when you get the call. We are here to help you with your career goals. We provide high quality, affordable technical education that will give you the tools to be successful. If you want to find out what's next and see how far you can go, contact TCAT Dickson for life-changing learning.